No.
Thursday, similar to yesterday's assignment, and you have worksheet, basically, it's proportions, cross multiplying and dividing again. Height and tall are the same thing, okay? So you always want to set, if I have a small scale that I'm making and it's 3 inches tall and 4 inches wide, and now I want to make it 9 inches tall, and I don't know how wide it's going to be, okay? You always set it up as height over width. This has to be the same. So if I have 3 as a height over 4, set it up, cross multiply. Cross multiplying 4 times 9 is 36 equals 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 12. Okay?
Easy.
Right? Now they may have you convert money. If for every $3 or 3 tallias, it equals $2. Okay? So you set that up as tallias over dollars. I have 6 tallias. How many dollars is that going to be? Same thing. I set it up as tallias over dollars. 6 times 2 is 12. 3x. Divide by 3. X equals 4. Main thing is setting up your proportions. Okay? Now, math 2. You are giving a worksheet and finding slope. They give you 2 points on a graph. Basically, that is rise over run. Okay? Rise over run. Okay? So, is there any rise over this one? It's a flat line, right? So there's no rise, right? So it's 0, okay? And the run is the same, okay? Now, so that means the slope is 0, right? It doesn't go anywhere, okay? In this one, the rise is 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
The run is 1, 2. Okay? 2 over 2 is
1.
1. That's how you figure out rise over run and slope. So in this one, once again, is there any change in y?
No.
The slope is going to be straight up and down, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, it's undefined. So if it's an x going up and down, it's undefined.
Okay.
Okay? So once again here, I have a rise of 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
That's my y. My x is 1, 2, 3. 3 over 3 equals
1.
1. Therefore, there's my rise over run. Another example. In this one, my rise is 1, 2, 3. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, my slope is 3/5. There's your answer.
That's not too bad.
Okay? On this one, your rise is 1, 2. Your run is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 over 4 can be reduced to 1/2, right?
Yeah.
And there's your slope.
Okay.
That's what you're doing for today's assignment. Okay?
Okay.
And that is on page 111 and 112, 1 through 15. Any questions? Nope, you can call me.
Call me. Don't call me. Call Tim.
Steve.
Call Tim.
Call Steve. All right, math 3. We are starting our part on scientific notation. Scientific notation means there's always going to be one number in front of the decimal point. So, if there's a number like this, you consider the decimal point right here. I move it over 1, 2, 3. 3.4 because there's one number in front of it. 1, 2, 3 times 10 to the third. I write this out as 7.2 because I only want one number in front, right? And then I count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 to the fifth. Negative ones. Once again, 7.62, right? One number in front. And I moved it 1, 2, 3. So I write 10 to the negative third.
Okay.
Point 3. Three's my number, and I moved it over one, right? So that would be 3 times 10 to the negative 1.
Okay.
Now, if they give you an equation that looks like this, 0.2 times negative 2. Negative 2 means you're going to put your decimal point this way, right? 1, 2, so now your answer now is, that's it.
Oh, okay.
All right? And then on your other part of the worksheet, there's some multiplying exponents, but you can put that into your calculator. Okay? Make sure today, over this week, you take pictures of your assignments, email them to Steve or I, and then you'll be done. Take pictures, email them, and we'll be ready. Your first week of math, virtual learning, we're out.
Peace.